Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a YouTube channel for income with Google, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your niche. Research popular topics within that niche. Analyze your competition for insights. Create a content strategy with a posting schedule. Set up a Google account if you don't have one. Navigate to YouTube and click on Create a Channel. Choose a catchy channel name relevant to your niche. Design a professional logo and channel art. Write a compelling channel description that outlines your content. Invest in quality recording equipment for clear audio and video. Plan your first few videos in detail. Write scripts or outlines to maintain focus during recording. Record multiple videos to build a content library. Edit your videos using reliable editing software. Optimize your video titles with relevant keywords. Craft engaging thumbnails to attract viewers. Use video descriptions to provide context and include keywords. Add tags that represent your content accurately. Upload your videos consistently as per your schedule. Promote your videos on social media platforms. Engage with your audience in the comments section. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Enable monetization through the YouTube Partner Program once eligible. Create an AdSense account to manage your earnings. Consider additional revenue streams like merchandise and sponsorships. Analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Adjust your strategy based on viewer feedback and trends. Continue learning and adapting to grow your channel effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.